This question from GATE 2017 from electrostatics. It is question number 4, and in this question it is given that a uniform volume charge density is placed inside a conductor with resistivity 10 to the power minus 2 ohm meter. The charge density becomes 1 divided by 2.718 of the original value after time. How much? Fermi seconds. Up to 2 decimal points you have to take, and it is given that a value of epsilon naught is equal to 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad per meter. So let's solve this question. For solving this question, as we know, rho of t is equal to rho of 0 into e to the power minus sigma t divided by epsilon naught. If we take logarithm both sides, then we'll get log rho of t will be equal to log of rho 0 into e to the power minus sigma t divided by epsilon naught. Therefore we can write log rho of t equal to log rho 0 minus sigma t divided by epsilon naught. So from this equation we can write minus sigma t divided by epsilon naught is equal to log rho of t minus log rho of 0. So value of sigma t divided by epsilon naught will be equal to log rho of t divided by rho of 0. So which provides us log 1 divided by 2.718. This value, if we calculate this value will becomes minus 1. Now we are seeing that minus sigma t divided by epsilon naught is equal to minus 1. This negative sign will get cancelled. So after cancellation we can find the value of time will be equal to epsilon naught divided by sigma, which is equal to 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 10 to the power minus 2. Therefore we can write the value of time t will be equal to 88.54 into 10 to the power minus 15 second, or we can write the value of time. So time required will be equal to 88.54 femtosecond. So this is our required answer.